friends, you're watching Flavors and it's me Sakshi, your host and host. In today's episode, we are making bread upma. It's a very delicious and lip-smacking recipe. It's also best out of waste dish as if you have any leftover bread, pav or loaf, then you can just pop it into the recipe and have it. So let's get started. Friends, let us start making a delicious bread upma. So in a pan, I've already added in 1 tablespoon of oil. Let it heat up. As the oil is heated up, next I'm going to add in 1 small onion finely chopped, which is about 2 to 3 tablespoons of onion, and saute it. Next, let's just add in ½ teaspoon of mustard seeds. Then 1 tablespoon of urad dal for that crunch. Let's wait until the mustard seeds start crackling. So they've started to crackle. Next I'm going to add in 2 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. Then I'm going to add in fresh tomato pulp. So this is the tomato pulp of 2½ small tomatoes. I just crushed them in a chopper. Next I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of corn and 2 tablespoons of finely chopped capsicum. Look, it looks so colorful. Wow! Now I'm going to add in water because we want it kind of gravy type. So about 1/4 cup of water. Next, time for all the seasoning ingredients. So add in salt to taste. Then chili powder. It's depending to how spicy you like it. It's about a teaspoon. And about ½ teaspoon of garam masala. And sugar to balance all the flavors, 1 teaspoon, and stir it. Next I'm going to squeeze in a tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Now we are going to cook this until... Alright, so friends, it's been almost 2 minutes since this is cooking. So quite a lot of water is already evaporated. At this stage, I'm going to add in about 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. And stir that in. So now we can proceed. So it's quite a wet mixture, it's not that dry, and this is what we want. So now at this stage I'm going to add in the bread slices which have been chopped and also stir that in. Alright, so this has been stirred in, so it's perfect. So just serve it immediately or else the bread will get pretty soggy. Or else what you can do, you can just prepare the wet mixture and whenever you want to serve it, you can add in the bread slices. So here I used slices of 5 bread, like 5 bread slices. You can even use pav or any kind of bread. So now we can off the flame. And finally I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves and stir that in. So this is perfectly ready now. So let's quickly serve it. So friends, we're going to do a unique way of presenting it. So in this bowl I've already put some oil. So I'll just spread it in all the sides of the bowl. And then into it, I'm going to put in the bread upma that we just prepared. Just fill it completely and press it from the top. So now it's time for demolding it. So I have a plate over here. I'm going to place the bowl over it and lift it. Wow! This is actually a very healthy breakfast recipe. So I'm just going to add in a bit of cheese, but this is optional. Just grate in cheese. Amazing! So the cheese has been grated. Let's place in a tomato slice. And also place the coriander leaf. So there you go. A delicious bread upma is ready. Friends, this bread upma is very easy and very In this recipe, I've used many vegetables to make it healthy, and you can even use brown bread to make it more healthier. And if you don't want to add in a variety of vegetables, then you can even avoid adding them. So hope you liked the recipe. Do tell us how it turned out in the comment section below. Till then, it's me Sakshi signing off. Goodbye.